In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp to your Wix website. We'll go through the full process inside the Wix editor. And by the end, you will have a clickable WhatsApp icon on your site that opens a chat for your visitors. This is a simple and useful way to make it easier for people to contact you directly. Start by opening your website in the Wix editor. Once you are inside the editor, go to the left-hand menu and click Add Elements, which is the plus icon. This is where you can insert new items onto your page. Next, click Image from here. Choose Upload Images if you want to use your own WhatsApp icon from your computer. If you don't already have one saved, you can also search in the Wix stock media library and choose a suitable WhatsApp style icon there. After selecting your image, click Add to Site. Once the icon appears on your page, click it and drag it into the position where you want it to stay. Many people place it near the bottom corner of the page, so it's easy to notice without getting in the way. You can also resize it by dragging the corners until it looks right for your layout. Try to keep it visible, but not oversized. Now open a new browser tab and search for create.way.link. On that page, select the option to create a free way.link. This tool helps you generate a WhatsApp link that opens a chat with a pre-filled message. Enter your mobile number and then type the message you want visitors to send or see when they start the chat. Keep the message short and clear, since this will help make the contact process smoother. After that, click Preview so you can check that everything looks correct. Then click Generate My WA.link. Once the link is created, copy it. Now go back to your Wix site editor. Select the WhatsApp icon you added earlier. Then click it and choose the link icon from the image menu. When the linking options appear, select Web Address. Paste the copied WA link into the field provided. After pasting the link, make sure to select the option to open it in a new window. This is helpful because it keeps your website open while sending visitors to WhatsApp. Then click Done to save the link. And that's it. Thanks for watching.